Welcome to your online source for calculator tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to calculate the mean and standard deviation given a list of numeric data. Begin a new spacetime document so that your screen looks like mine. We'll begin by forming a list of data called ages. Let's go ahead and type in the name of our data list. It's just going to be a list of ages, similar to what we've done in some of the other tutorials. Remember to use brackets to enter the list name. I'll just go ahead and enter a few data points representing ages. The commands that we're going to look at today can work on any size lists. So it doesn't matter how long the lists have to be, but normally the problems that we're going to be working on are going to deal with fairly large lists. So let's do a representative example here. Alright, once you're done with that, go ahead and hit solve to initiate the storing of the variable. The mean and standard deviation commands that we're going to be looking at in this tutorial use a list such as the one we just created as their only argument. Both of these commands are accessible through the catalog tab. Let's begin by locating the mean command. Go to your catalog and scroll down until you get to the M's. Then you'll locate the mean command. Notice it uses nList as an argument. This means a numeric list. And we're just simply going to type in ages. So that's all that you need to do is mean of ages. And then hit solve. So the average age in that list of data is 21.18. Alright, similarly we can go into the catalog and recover the standard deviation command. It's actually written out as a full word, standard deviation. It also too uses the numeric list argument, so go ahead and tap that. Alright, it can use the same list as its argument, so we're going to go ahead and enter ages again. When you're done entering that, you should hit solve. And that gives us the standard deviation, 9.7. Currently, Spacetime does not have a built-in command to calculate the median, but remember that you can always sort the data and count over to the value in the n plus first slot in the data set to recover the median manually. So I'm going to recall a couple of commands that we've used in past tutorials here. The first thing that we can do is we can invoke the size command. So I can figure out the size of my list. Okay, there's 11 elements in the list, which means that I need to be looking at the 11 plus first divided by 2 element in the list. So I need to count over to the 6th element in the list. Alright, well in order to do that, I need to sort the list first. So remember our sort command. You can simply type in sort ages, and that will sort the list, and then I just simply need to count the 6th one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the median is 21. So I'll type that in just for effect here. This isn't a command or anything, but the median is 21 since it's the 6th element in the slot. This concludes the calculating mean, median, and standard deviation tutorial. Feel free to replay this tutorial or browse any of the other available topics on the course webpage.